Hello everyone, welcome back. I want to give you a thing how to get a coefficient of linear model in Scikit-learn. It's important to can get the coefficient of the models. Okay, let's go down. Model.fit. Okay, it gives us a thing. Let's copy it and print it here. X columns, model coefficient. What is X and what is model coefficient? X. What is X and model coefficient? It gives us a good thing, I think, but let's go for this. Okay, this is the thing I want. Reg.coefs. This is the thing I want, but let's see. Okay, we save the model where? We save the model by model.fit. Let's say mod. Okay, we save the model by model, I think, or mod. Sorry. Okay, coef. Now what we write after? Model.coef. Now let's run it. It gave us the one coefficient. What is that coefficient means? Why it's one? It must have two. Why? Reg.score. Let's see mod.score to mod.score. Score example. Okay, let's not see it for now. It's got us give us the coefficient of our model, and let's see. Okay, let me tell you about these two things, what model.coef is and mod.intercept. I tell you, in the linear regression, the system is going to set something like this: ax plus b is equal to 0. The model is going to set this kind of line to your data. What is it's going to find? It has the y and x, and it's going to find the best a and b to have the less difference to our line. And the coef is a and b is mod.intercept. Okay, now we need them for, let's save it as a b and let's save it as a. We need them for what? As you can see, we need them to draw a line. Let's go and search how to draw a line in Matplotlib. Matplotlib line. W3 schools have an article. np.array. No, this is not the line we want. This is not the line we want. This is not it. Yeah, not the line we want. Not. They are just getting the places. We don't like them. Matplotlib pyplot. Let's go to pyplot. I think here we must have something. X point np 06 and y point. Okay, it's not giving us the answer. Let's go and search another way. How to draw a line in matplotlib by coefficient. Okay, NumPy method with Python tutorial. Let's see what it's going to give us. Okay, it's not opening. Let's see what these three sites have. Y equal to nim. Y equal to. No, this is not the line we want. Okay, let's just for now get the first and second place and draw the line. How to do that? We want x1 and y1. The x1 is, what is the x1? The x1 is let's say the first x. What is the first x? Let's search again how to draw a linear regression model line in matplotlib from Scikit-learn. Okay, how to draw it? Import pandas. Now we have dev. Steps: splitting, training our data, predicting, plotting. Okay, let's use this command for xtest ypred color k. Oh, we have these two lines they are not needed. What is the problem? We can't see the problem. Okay, I think we write the data in a bad way. Let's xtest ypred color red. What is the problem? In this line we have a problem. Let's go. Okay, let's go to that site and see what is the problem is. The PLT scatter is like us, and the PLT plot, I think maybe it's the, oh, we have the scatter but not the plot. plt.plot xtest ypred. Xtest and ypred are right, but what is the problem? Okay, this is the end of this lesson. See you tomorrow, and until then I'm trying to fix this problem.